Here, do that again with your finger and I'm gonna...
This threesome we're having. Oh, it's in my pocket. What's this? Dust. Yeah, you know, I should have like cleaned my bike before all this, but it's whatever. It's whatever. Okay, I really haven't done this in a while. I don't even know what to say. We're gathered here today to upgrade my handlebar situation. I got a grip and I got some new bar ends because the old bar ends did not work or not compatible with my new mirrors that were graciously installed for me by Dan. They're the CRG Hindsight LS. These are the 3-inch diameter. They also come in a 2-inch diameter. You know, these are like the lane splitter ones, I think they call it too. I don't even see that on here, but that's what they are. Yeah, they're really rad. I love the field of view and it's crystal clear. So this is honestly a huge upgrade, even though it's smaller than the stock mirrors. You honestly see so much more. Must be a convex situation, concave, convex, and the sides fold in. But as you can see, I put some tape here to protect the mirror because it was rubbing, and this had to be loose because the throttle was sticking. So that was a problem. So we loosened this up to give the room so that the throttle wouldn't stick. This side pretty much stayed, but it just kind of doesn't work. Got some new bar ends to solve that problem. Figured while I'm there, I might as well upgrade my grips. That's what we're doing today. We got the grip glue as well from Revzilla, and these ones came from Revzilla. These ones were for Amazon, and these ones were straight from Italy. So if you're curious about anything, I will link it all up, but that's on the agenda today, and let's get into it. Cool. Extreme Makeover, Handlebar Edition. Move that bike. Did anyone watch that show? Is that like an elder millennial thing to say? So, I'm just taking this garbage off. Here she goes, out with the old.
So you can't let it twist? Yep, there you go.
Oh.
And now you're gonna just keep pulling, basically. And don't cut yourself because there's metal sticking up there.
Yeah. Who did that?
Who did that? Watch, don't cut yourself, jeez.
Is it that sharp, you think?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, and it. He's done that before. Nice.
We need a box cutter or a knife. Or scissors. Or maybe you can use these.
Done. Oh, that's nice. It's the minimal edition. Didn't really feel like it was on there.
It's easy to cut it.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, they're made to not come off. Yours didn't have any glue on it.
Yeah, it didn't seem like it. Ducati. What was that song?
Oh, Harley. Rock your body, everybody!
This seems difficult.
It is difficult. It's even worse on this thing. And it was terrible on Super Sports.
Forget all you fall in love with it. Forget all you fall in love with it.
Sorry.
What's that?
Should I try to like spread something while you
I'm getting there.
That's so horrible inside there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not
Not a great sensation.
It's not great.
They don't have any lube for this? If there's anything.
You don't want to put lube.
No, now I'm gonna throw it away.
Here, do that again with your finger, and I'm gonna...
This threesome we're having. Hey everybody, thanks for coming this far with us. I'd like to point you to the reason why we're struggling so much to install the grip on the right side, and that's because of this little lip at the edge of the throttle. It was very cumbersome to get the grip over that, and it took a lot of negotiating. So if you're wondering why it was so difficult for us, we never really explained that portion. We were just getting into it and solving it. So please enjoy the rest of our struggle. Okay, it's getting really close. Is that it? Is that good enough?
We can go a little bit more.
Yeah.
What are we missing?
The mirrors.
Yeah, so we have a couple options.
Oh, cut it?
The mirrors will hopefully fit right there. Okay, now we put the mirror on.
We need a mallet.
Yeah, we do need a mallet.
Ooh, that's looking good.
Okay, cool.
Wow.
There you go.
Look at that. Oh, yeah, I gotta tighten that one. Yeah, we gotta get the sweet spot all over again on these. That's looking sharp. That's cool.
Nice.
I like that. Nice, 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 nice.
Grip glue is scary because you only have one chance.
Oh,
Yeah, you have to get it on within like
Jesus.
30 seconds before it starts to glue up.
Oh, no.
So this is a me job. Where's the... I need this.
You don't think I can do it? It's too
Do you
risky.
want
No,
to?
I don't want to. It's too risky.
I would say if you have the option of muscle, you should use it here.
That's true. Oh my gosh. Well, I'll open the glue. So what's the difference between something like this and like super glue? Like what's the point? This just cures differently?
I forget what the measurement is. I think it's elasticity is the measurement. Yeah, I think super glue has much more like stretch because it can, and washability to it, where this is designed to 30 seconds, a minute, start setting. All right, grip glue, please.
It's like surgery again. Oh no. Do you need a thing? Do you need an adult?
No, I'm fine.
It's a ticking time bomb.
All right, can you take this, please?
Shit.
We're all getting nervous here. Damn, this isn't going on as easy as I'd hoped. Can you get another one of those towels, rags for me, please?
Yeah.
Okay. My hands are sweating. I didn't realize that'd be a factor.
Giving her all he's got.
All right. That looks good. The hard work behind.
Oh my god. I was like, what do you do? Like, what do you do if you don't have muscle?
Exactly. If you got it, you got to use it. So next we got your mirror and then bar end.
Cool. Cool. We're mega cool. Well,
Now, these things are old.
I know. That's why I was like, I was thinking that this
Everything's brand
morning.
new.
I was like, gotta get rid of those too. Can't be sitting here with the old.
With the stop.
But I don't know.
Got going on a little re-gripping action.
Yeah, it's horrible. Holy
It's
shit.
horrible, yeah. Well, it doesn't sound fun.
Alright, they got like a lot of friends and shit.
Yeah, we do.
Can't relate.
I think it's all from work.
Ah,
All right.
that's where people find them. We gotta get jobs.
Yeah, so I mean, we can just stick it right here. If you don't want to cut this off, if you like it,
Well,
it is kind of a cool look.
Yeah, it's kind of nice.
I mean, as long as you tighten this, it'll be good.
I guess this is the easy side. We're good.
Nice.
I love it.
All right, baby.
Wow, super nice. Grip, 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 grip. You did such a clean cut that it'll all work out.
Here. Alright, bar end. In mi poqueta. Alright, look at that.
It's flawless. Hey everybody, Megan here. Thanks so much for watching this transformation of the grips, the bar ends, and of course the mirrors. We did cheat a little and we started on the mirrors ahead of time, but it was still a beautiful transformation and you got to see the bootleg versus the final. So if you notice, we did not do the gas tank cover, and that's because I decided to powder coat the toggle piece to match it to the bike a bit better. I wasn't totally satisfied with the color that it came as. It was marketed to me as gold and I expected it to be a bit more yellow, but it ended up being orange. You get to look forward to that in the next section of this summer mods that we're doing. I did the fuel cover, and then we also have some new levers and turn signals. So this will kind of be a 3-part summer mod. I think at that point I'll be good for this year. Any other mods that I want to make are a little pricey and perhaps a bit unnecessary. So thanks so much for tuning in to this one. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If this is some useful or amusing information, go ahead and share it with somebody and leave a comment below to me. I mean, let me know what you're doing to your bike. Do you like what the final verdict is on the handlebars? You can see how the mirrors look compared to some of the old images of my bike. And what do you think about the turn signals? Can you guess what I'm going to do to them? I think you'll like the result. I'm going to honor the original bike, but I'm going to spruce her up quite a bit. So until next time, ride safe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you around.